Tooele Tower 3 Kilo Foxtrot, turning to crosswind for 35 Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankee, turning final runway 35, touch and go Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, extending downwind 35. Tooele Tower 3 Kilo Foxtrot, turning to downwind for 35 Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning base 35. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning final 35. Tooele Tower 3 Kilo Foxtrot will extend it downwind for 35 Tooele. Tooele traffic 63 Whiskey Charlie, we are established on a 45 to downwind for runway 35, so looking for the traffic no better. Tooele Tower 3 Kilo Foxtrot, turning to base for 35 Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankee, turning left crosswind runway 35, full stop Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, upwind 35. Tooele Tower 3 Kilo Foxtrot, turning to final for 35 Tooele, full stop.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankee, left downwind runway 35, full stop Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, extending upwind 35 Tooele. Tooele traffic 62 Whiskey Charlie, we're on the 45 to downwind. We're going to be doing a right 360 to make room for the traffic on the upwind. Tooele traffic, correction, 3 Kilo Foxtrot, non-final for 35, touch and go, Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning crosswind 35. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning downwind 35, Tooele. Tooele traffic, 3 Kilo Foxtrot will be exiting pattern 545 from the upwind. Tooele traffic, Archer North 63 Whiskey Charlie on a 45 to downwind for runway 35, currently 3 miles out, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankee, left base, runway 35, full stop, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sport Cruiser 4 Bravo Foxtrot over the truck stop 6000 westbound to set up for the 45 for 35, Tooele.
And Tooele traffic, Skyhawk 103 Kilo Foxtrot has exited pattern on the upwind. Climbing up to 5,500, we'll be over to Stansbury, maneuvering.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, extending downwind 35.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankees, final runway 35, full stop, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Archer November 963 Whiskey Charlie, entering downwind for runway 35, Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning base 35. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning final 35.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankees, clear 35, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sport Cruiser 4 Bravo Foxtrot is 4 miles northeast of the field 6000 westbound to set up for the 45 for 35, Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer November 963 with Charlie on base runway 35. Stop and go, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sky 103 Kilo Foxtrot over Stansbury, climbing to 6,500, maneuvering.
Tooele traffic, Sky 26 Yankee, taxi from Alpha 3 on Alpha for the north ramp, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Sport Cruiser 4 Bravo Foxtrot 4 miles directly north of the field 6000, Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer November 963 with Charlie on final for runway 35, full stop, Tooele. Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, upwind 35.
Tooele traffic, 3 Kilo Foxtrot, maneuvering over Stansbury, heading northbound on at 6,500.
Tooele Valley traffic, Skyhawk 52531, 8.5 miles northeast of the field, just coming up on the truck stop, 6,000, be maneuvering east of the field, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, returning crosswind 35, Tooele.
Tooele traffic, airport operations vehicle entering runway 35 from the south end of the Alpha 1 for runway inspection behind 3 Whiskey Charlie.
3 Whiskey Charlie, we are turning right on Alpha 4 to taxi back for runway 35. We'll hold short for traffic.
Tooele traffic, Sky 103 Kilo Foxtrot, 6,500 southeast, about a half mile of Stansbury.
Tooele traffic, Archer 970 Whiskey Charlie, turning downwind 35, Tooele.
Test, test.